Captain's log. Star date 09/2020.621. Having put almost 900 miles on my e-bike in the last month, I've neglected all my other gas-powered vehicles. So today, there's a car that's smoking. We're going to take the FJ out. Let's go up to Lake Alexander Lake? I don't know which way it's called. Up off of Mirror Lake Highway in the Uintas. Temperature is 63 degrees in hideout. Okay, man, they were closed, but those of us with annual passes, they still let us go in for a swim, but the heat was not on. Oh man, that was brutal. The good thing is you can be a nudist and no one can see anything when it's that cold. I think this might be Hamilton Lake. I forgot what the sign said back there. I have a good memory, but it's short. Alright, I gotta make this quick because this little bitty island that I'm standing on, I think is floating and moving and sinking. Wherever I stand, I'm starting to get wet. So it's just a quick. This is Alexander Lake. not Lake Alexander, but Alexander Lake. And that's important when you're looking this up on the Google Maps. Oh, okay. I had seen several of these at the and several other fire rings, but I didn't stop to look to see what it was. Okay, so in case you're wondering how I mount my GoPro outside to the mirror, and I power it up like that down to my USB power adapter there. So it's always getting a charge, but I think the battery, the GoPro eats up more juice quicker than this recharges it. But that's how I do it. And then I'm going to pan around, pan like that to that side. It's got a very solid mount for panning around and going back and forth. You can turn this around the other way to get the POV that way just by undoing the clip or the connector point. And if you got a +1 or a bit trident with you, put one over there. Let them control it for a while too, so you can have fun just driving. Okay, for this one reason alone, the media mod is worth the $79. It allows you to keep your unit plugged in. Now I could also, at the same time, underneath it, behind door number 3, which aren't gonna last, that middle one already came off, is a 3.5, that's your speaker out. I could put my Rode Wireless Go up on top, plugged into there, and then roll the window up and have the other end, the transmitter, inside the FJ here, and talk and narrate or whatever. First flat tire, and I hit a rock or something and knocked off the valve stem. Bitch. Okay, I timed it. Took me almost 45 minutes to do this. And if you remember, I was parked down there. I kept moving up until I get better angles and figured out how to do it, or at least I figured out what'll work. Not that I like it, but I'm on the cross member underneath there, and I'm like at the max suspension, so I'm gonna get a new jack this week. Should have done it sooner, but my bad. I would have made things a lot more easy because I would have had more options. Anyways, I'm gonna drop this and head to the house. But man, look, right here. I don't even need to point, do I? See, you can see the scratch on the rim, and where that rock, whatever that was, hit there and there and there and there. And I'll bet you I got it on video if I go back and look at it. But that's what I need to get a 33 inch in the back. That's a 31. That's a factory tire. So 11, that's 10 years old. Okay, now let me ask you this. From a visual perspective, can you tell that I got a 33 on the driver's side and a 31 on the passenger? And then over here, I got the 33 in the back and 31 up front.